Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Article 239 AA. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Supreme Court interpreted Article 239 AA, the provision that deals with the governance structure of Delhi, as one that underlies the principles of federalism, participatory democracy, and collective responsibility. Now let's discuss what is Article 239 AA. Article 239 AA was inserted in the Constitution by the Constitution 69th Amendment Act 1991 to give special status to Delhi. It was inserted following the recommendations of the S. Balakrishnan Committee set up to look into demands for statehood for Delhi. It says that the NCT of Delhi will have an administrator and a legislative assembly. Subject to the provisions of the Constitution, the legislative assembly shall have power to make laws for the whole or any part of the NCT with respect to any of the matters in the state list or concurrent list, insofar as any such matter is applicable to union territories, except on the subject of police, public order, and land. Article 239 AA empowers the LG to refer a difference of opinion on any matter with the Council of Ministers to the President. The Article 239 AA also notes that LG has to either act on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, or he is bound to implement the decision taken by the President on a reference being made by him. Thus, this dual control between LG and the elected government leads to a power tussle. Now moving on to judicial views. The SC held that the Lieutenant Governor shall be bound by the decision of Delhi government over services apart from public order, police, and land. The principles of democracy and federalism are essential features of our constitution and form a part of the basic structure. The SC stated that Article 239 AA establishes a legislative assembly for NCT of Delhi. Members of the Legislative Assembly are elected by the Delhi electorate. If a democratically elected government is not given the power to control the officers, the principle of triple chain of accountability will be redundant. The Delhi government, much like other states, represents the representative form of government, and any further expansion of the union's power will be contrary to the constitutional scheme. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Article 239 AA. 1. It was inserted in the Constitution by the Constitution 69th Amendment Act 1991 to give special status to Delhi. 2. It was inserted following the recommendations of the S. Balakrishnan Committee set up to look into demands for statehood for Delhi. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.